Assalamualaikum and greetings to my supervisor, Prof. Maidia Aisyah binti Ahmad, and my examiner, Madam Zuri Arafah. My name is Muhammad Azrin bin Barudin and I will present my FYP. My FYP title is Mobile Booking Application for Freelance Photographer. For the background of the project, currently, the gig economy has become trendy as digital platforms provide efficient marketplace to ease the business process between the service provider and customer. Thus, the existence of people willing to freelance has increased over the years. According to Krishnamurthy Barudin and Karkarnasasi in 2016, the word freelancer can be referred to a person who is not employed by a company and does services for numerous different clients in a short period of time. According to World Bank data in 2019, about 25% of Malaysian workforce are self-employed and the number is growing as more people opting for more flexible working hours. The photography industry in Malaysia also started to change in adapting to the current trend of freelancing and technological advancement today. According to Encik Muhammad Fawaz bin Muhammad Nur Azli, who is a freelance photographer for the last 8 years, stated that most of the freelance photographers today use social media such as Facebook and Instagram as a platform to promote their services. This is the current booking process of booking a photographer. Firstly, the client will search for available photographer through social media platform, and the client will inquire the detail on the service available. The photographer will give information regarding the service through email or directly through social media platform. If the client wanted to book, the client gives detail to the photographer and the photographer will check the availability. If the date is not available, the photographer will check for other option for the client. If the date is available, the photographer records the detail of the booking. There will be two problems occurred during this process. The first problem occurred during the client wanted to book A, and B is photographer records the detail of the booking. The next section will explain in detail. There are several problems that can be identified based on the current process. The first problem is difficulties between client and photographer on confirmation of booking details. Encik Muhammad Fawaz bin Muhammad Nur Azli, a freelance photographer, stated that the booking process problem occurred when a potential client wanted to book a slot for the service. There will be an issue where a client wants to book a slot that has already been booked. This is because the client does not know the date if available or not. In some cases, the slot might be available earlier, but after a while, another client already confirmed the slot by paying the deposit to the photographer. Moreover, duplication of booking is another issue that frequently occurred, where the photographer did not update the latest booking of a customer that has previously booked. Therefore, this will result in photographer losing potential client on the duplicated date. And the next problem is limited visibility or services of local photographer. A survey was conducted and distributed to 31 freelance photographers. Based on the survey, 95% of freelance photographers use social media such as Facebook and Instagram to advertise and showcase their photography portfolio. And a few is using job site, newspaper. Using social media only as a platform to advertise their service is not sufficient because it might not reach the targeted audience. Moreover, existing freelance job sites such as Upwork and Fiverr do not have a feature to filter the location that the photographer covered specifically, such as the city. Therefore, local photographer will have a difficulty to be noticed by potential client. And lastly, no centralized platform for client to find freelance photographer that are available. This is because clients do not have a centralized platform to find and book freelance photographer that are nearby their location or near the venue of the event. A study by Krishnamurthy Barudin and Karnasasi stated that Malaysia is still not as developed such as Western country in developing its own online freelance marketplace. Moreover, based on a survey conducted, out of 77 people who had experience in hiring photographer, 74% of respondents hired photographer through social media platform, and another 51% of the respondents stated that the way of hiring photographer was through suggestion from friends. And therefore, by development of the mobile application, the match of photographer services and the needs of client can be paired easily. And next is the proposed solution. A mobile application will be developed where client can find and book freelance photographer that are available in their selected or current location. The application will also allow customer to do booking of photographer based on the selected package provided by the photographer through the application, and the client cannot make a booking order if the date already been booked. The mobile application will allow the photographer to set up their profile and upload their photography portfolio and services in the application for potential client to view. The application will have a rating system where people are able to view reviews and rating of the photographer. Here is the problem solution mapping. For the first problem statement, the solution provided is manage account, view photographer, meaning client can view the client photographer profile, search photographer. The client can search photographer based on the current location or the location selected by the client. For the second problem statement, the use case is create booking, manage booking, and search booking. The client can search booking based on the booking status, date, and package of that they book. And lastly, limited visibility for services of local photographer. The solution provided is add view update delete portfolio, add view update delete package, meaning photographer can add portfolio and package, and then rate photographer. Client can rate photographer once a service is completed. And lastly, view rating. Client can view the rating of the photographer. And the technique implemented is geolocation. It detects the location of the client and it will automatically search photographer based on the location of the client. And for the use case diagram, there are 18 use cases and the actor is 2, photographer and client. For the domain class diagram, there are 8 classes. The classes is portfolio, photographer, rating, client, booking, package, photo location, and location. The client can make a booking and a booking have one package, and the package is provided by a photographer. A photographer can have 0 or many rating that are made by the client, and the photographer will have portfolio and location coverage. This is the system demo and the homepage of the freelance photographer booking application. At the homepage, you will have 2 buttons, client and photographer. For the example, I will go in as photographer first, and the photographer has to register account before login. Register, they can add profile picture. For example, I enter Aina Bahar, aina@gmail.com, phone number, and type password, and I need to insert at least one city coverage for registration, or I can use the geolocate feature. It will detect my current location, which is Alustar, and we change to Alustar and register. Once registered, I can log in using email and password. Once logged in, this is the profile, we go to the home page for login, and then I can go to the profile section to edit or delete my profile. I can update my information, I can change all of this including the pictures. I change it to professional. Profile updated, and my profile will be updated. And then here is the profile page. I can also add package. I will add one package. Package photo, for example, birthday badge, price 200, package type event, and description is 1 hour session. Insert. Once the package is added, it will list all the packages added at the bottom, and I can press it and edit or delete. I can delete, I can edit 2 hour session, for example. I can also filter the location by package type, wedding 0 because I don't have any wedding, event 1, and I can also search by name. Birthday, it will list birthday. If I search wedding, it will be 0. I can also insert portfolio for the client to see. Once all the photo is uploaded, I can enter the album name. Maybe I can put it here as mix album, and description, maybe I can put it here wedding and family package, and upload. Once uploaded, I can view the portfolio. This is the portfolio that I've added. I can edit the name, pictures, album edited, change the name. I can also delete. I can also add location. I want to add one more location, Sungai Petani. It's green, meaning that location can be added because it's not yet registered. Location added. If I try to add Sungai Petani or Alor, it will turn red, location already exists. I can also change the location, and I can also delete the location. Next, I will go to the client. Client also need to register and log in. I will log in already existed account. Once logged in, client can search the photographer here. This will list all the photographer in Alor. I can search by cities. This is all photographer in Alor or Sungai Petani, and search. This is only available in Sungai Petani. I can also use the GeoKit feature. It will automatically search photographer based on my location in Alor. I will book Najwa. I can view Najwa portfolio. This is Najwa portfolio. I can book now. I want to book family package, find members, booking location, Taman Angsana, enter date, and I can only book date that's already that's all are available. The only available that's not yet approved. If it's green, meaning that the location is available and the date is available. And so when I have booked, I can search my booking through date, package, or status type. They are booking type, booking status. So just now it's pending. So Taman Angsana 5 family members. You can also view the photographer detail, package info, and this is the profile for client. You can delete and update. And now I will log in as photographer. You can see that the booking Najwa are pending Taman Angsana. This is the client info, package info. And before I forgot, the booking package is indicated by the color. If yellow is pending, if I update, I approve or reject, approve will be green, reject will be red. So once I approve, it will turn to green. So once approved, if the service is completed, I can press completed. It will be completed. Once completed, I log in as client, and I will see all my completed. Okay, Taman Angsana 5 members completed. Please review the photographer. I can review the photographer by pressing here. It's the green, meaning that I already reviewed. If gray, meaning that I haven't reviewed. So I review. I can put it at 5. Good service. Review added. So it's green. So I cannot add another review. I can go check. So Najwa is now Najwa Najli. I can search my name and see my review. Good service. Thank you. That is all for me.